I got this book like years ago when I first started massage therapy, and I found out that I was an empath. And I've only read up until like page 40 for the last few years. So I started it over last night and I'm reading it on page 52 now. So I've gotten a little bit past where I originally was, but it's definitely helpful. If any of you out there are empathic, sometimes it can feel overwhelming and like you kind of need to just get away and avoid humans at all costs. But being empathic is actually, a gift. It involves many gifts and it helps you be able to feel someone else's pain, stress, emotions, happiness, anything, and share that with them and kind of have more compassion for them. So it's a really helpful, good book because I've started to feel like so overwhelmed by this virus and the people in my life, and it's not them, like they're going through healing, and that's really amazing, and I'm so happy. But also it means that I have to do more self-care and really make sure I'm doing the right thing, and being responsible for myself so that I can be there for other people. But I started this video because I wanted to give you guys an update about the camper. I'm out here making some coffee, decaf as always, and I thought there was a mouse living in the camper, which there very well might be, but I just saw a little bird go up into the camper, and I've been hearing like what I think sounds like wings flapping, like a bird cleaning itself or a bird flying away, constantly flying to and away from the camper. So I was thinking that it could be a mouse and like a little bird's nest in there, and sometimes they like get into a scuffle because I hear like someone try to attack someone else and all this. But yeah, so I don't even know if there's a mouse. I think there is. I swore I saw one, but maybe it's just a bird family. I don't know. But I have kind of just accepted the fact that they are underneath the camper. They're not that loud all the time, and they mind their own. They stay in their own space. They don't try to steal my food. My fire went out. So I'm going to tend to that, and here's a little view of springtime blooming. Everything is coming back. We haven't done much more. We've flattened out some dirt and cut back some more kudzu. See, it's all clear all through here. But I don't know if you can see, that's a huge hole right there. So we need to like get some dirt and fill that in. And then all of this up to there. Chase cut down, and Boyer, but they cut down some trees. Boyer is our friend from Richmond. And yeah, they cut down a bunch of those trees. I've been trying to collect some branches to the side. But all of that is going to be our driveway. And then we don't have many more trees to cut down, fortunately. But all of that's going to be our driveway, and then it's going to lead up into a walkway to the yurt. So I'm doing a little bit of work here and there out here, and yeah, every day's getting better. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.